Okay, we're here again at the Robinson Mall, and inside here is TGI Fridays and also the grocery store supermarket. But I want you to see at night what it looks like around here, and I mean it is even crazier trying to cross that street. And there's so many people out there, and there's food vendors across that street selling ramen. It's amazing looking. I may try it in a little bit, but I don't know about the street food. But also I wanted you to look up and see these towers. There's my hotel right there. And also I want to look around and let's see all these high-rise buildings that are just surrounding us. It's really amazing here. Okay, very good, thank you. And hit the like button and subscribe, and be sure and hit the notification bell so you can get notifications about any new videos that we post. All right, so God bless you, we love you.